Welcome to Culinary Journeys, your global kitchen adventure with FeastVoyager. Greetings, Culinary Explorers! In the realm of culinary delights, our channel, Culinary Journeys, stands as your passport to a world of diverse flavors, rich traditions, and mouth-watering creations. Get ready for an epicurean odyssey as we embark on a culinary journey that transcends borders and brings the world's kitchens to your screen. Beyond borders, beyond tastes. Join us in unraveling the secrets of global cuisines, one country at a time. Culinary Journeys is not just a cooking channel, it's a cultural immersion into the heart of each nation's gastronomic treasures. From the bustling street markets of Bangkok to the Michelin-starred kitchens of Paris, we traverse the globe, exploring the unique ingredients, cooking techniques, and culinary stories that define each country. Culinary Heritage Unveiled. Dive deep into the culinary heritage of nations as we uncover time-honored recipes passed down through generations. Our mission is to celebrate the diversity of world cuisines, shedding light on the historical significance of each dish. From the spicy curries of India to the delicate sushi of Japan, we bring you the essence of global culinary traditions right to your kitchen. Cooking beyond boundaries. At Culinary Journeys, we believe that cooking is an art that transcends language, connecting people through the universal love for good food. Our engaging and informative videos go beyond recipes, offering a window into the cultural tapestry of each country. It's not just about cooking, it's about understanding the stories and traditions that make every dish unique. Your culinary guides. Led by passionate chefs, seasoned home cooks, and dedicated food enthusiasts, our diverse team brings a wealth of experience and a shared love for global cuisine. Whether you're a kitchen novice or an experienced cook, Culinary Journeys is your companion in exploring the world through its flavors. More than a cooking show. Culinary Journeys is a community. A place where fellow foodies come together to share their experiences, exchange recipes, and celebrate the joy of discovering new tastes. Engage with our vibrant community in the comments, and let the conversation about food, culture, and culinary adventures flourish. Subscribe and join the adventure. Hit that subscribe button and join us on this unparalleled journey. From the vibrant colors of Mexican street food to the sophistication of French patisserie, Culinary Journeys invites you to expand your culinary horizons, one country at a time. Embark on the culinary adventure. So, fellow gastronomes, buckle up for an extraordinary culinary adventure. Whether you're here for the love of cooking, cultural exploration, or simply the joy of good food, Culinary Journeys welcomes you to a global kitchen where every episode is a ticket to a new destination on our culinary map. Stay tuned and let the culinary odyssey begin.